We're going to do a brief video on the USDJPY, the dollar versus Japanese yen. We'll have some algorithmically generated entry prices here for you for a minute. We're going to look at an hour, daily, and weekly chart real quick. Let's take a look and see what's going on with the yen. We've been pursuing a theory that the yen is being supported by someone, some government, and we are still pretty much in that same position here. As you can see, this is a daily chart. We got a 200-day moving average here in blue, 20 in red, 5 in green. The normal expected direction for this would be up, and because of the interest rate differential, the US dollar interest rates are much higher than the Japanese yen. You sell the yen, buy the dollar. It's a straight carry trade, but you're seeing we're running to some kind of headwind right here around 148 and 9 point whatever. So that still looks to me to be what's going on. If we take a look at the hourly chart, we can see some of it is breaking a hair here. And this is not a huge deal because it's not that much of a sell-off, but this is an hourly chart. I don't see the same type of, this is what we were looking at here, here, here. This is clearly, in my opinion, defending this. Some more here, and you can see what happens. It falls away. We're looking for this from a normal perspective. We're looking for this to be up here, and it's not. So if you look at this, it's ugly. It's I don't want to say it's volatile, but it's ugly. It doesn't look like a normal chart. You see how this is much more organized and much more smooth and much more, I don't want to use the word predictable, but very, normal looking. This is ugly through here. You can just see it's a big ugly mess. And so in general, I'm going to stick with my analysis that this is being sold by somebody like a government and defending it, and they keep pushing it down. You'll notice they started defending here at the 149 level. Now they're defending here at the 148.5 roughly. Now they're defending here at the 148.17 level. So they're continuously pushing it down as they believe their defense is successful. The issue that I have with it is what happens when it gets here. It's 145.21. That's what they're going to try to push against and try to push through. In my, trying to get the market on their side, trying to get people to short this currency. I don't know if they're going to be able to pull it off, but that looks like to me what they're trying to do. So whenever, as I mentioned the other day, whenever someone, and of course we're all talking legitimate, whenever a government is legitimately defending its currency, which is certainly entitled to do, the technical analysis stuff gets much more tricky because we're not talking about market participants that have limited resources. These governments obviously have unlimited resources. But that's what I'm looking at right now. I could be completely wrong, and it's all for entertainment purposes only. Let's look and see what RBM research says about the entry prices for the yen for Monday, the 7th of November. Right here we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day algorithmically generated. It's got buys, so it's looking for it to push it down to the 1.634 level all the way across, and it's saying if it gets pushed down there, it's a buy all the way across. Of course, for entertainment purposes only, trade at your own risk. Can't use our information, anything for it, but for entertainment, including the prices and the commentary, and you should always do your own analysis. So you can get access to all of this, 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. It's all free, no credit card required. Just go over there, put in your email address, and get instant access by 7 a.m. every morning, updated. But if you come by the night before, everything but crypto is usually out by 6 p.m. the evening before, and crypto is usually out by 8, just after 8. All these after 6 and after 8 they usually come out. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a ticker symbol or a for stocks or futures or currencies, if you put it in the comment section below and we can do it, we'll do a non-customized, just our standard technical analysis discussion of it if we can do that.